Welcome to our roundup of the best car seat covers, your ultimate guide to upgrading your vehicle's comfort, protection, and interior style. Whether you want to protect your seats from spills, pet hair, daily wear, or simply give your car a fresh new look, a good set of seat covers can make a big difference. Modern seat covers are designed with durable materials like faux leather, breathable mesh, and stretchable fabric to ensure comfort while keeping your original upholstery safe from damage. Many options today also feature universal fit designs, anti-slip backing, and quick installation systems that make them easy to install in just a few minutes. In today's guide, we'll explore 5 of the best car seat covers currently available. We'll walk through their materials, comfort level, durability, installation process, and overall value so you can find the perfect option for your vehicle. Be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in this video. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Black Panther faux leather car seat cover, a stylish and durable option that instantly upgrades the look of your car's interior. This seat cover is designed using high-quality wear-resistant faux leather that provides both durability and a premium appearance. The material is also water-resistant, making it easier to wipe away spills, dirt, or stains before they soak into the fabric. One of the standout design elements of this cover is its wraparound structure that protects the front and sides of the seat. This design not only improves protection, but also helps the cover blend seamlessly with the original seat, giving the interior a clean and polished look. The bottom section also includes a non-slip gel backing along with hooks and straps to keep the cover firmly in place during driving. Drivers who spend long hours in their vehicles often appreciate the extra comfort provided by the built-in cushioning and quilted pattern. The seat cover also includes a small front pocket where you can store items like your phone or parking cards. Moving on to number 4, we have the CAR Pass faux leather car seat covers, a versatile option designed for drivers who want full seat coverage with a modern leather appearance. CAR Pass is known for producing automotive accessories that combine style with practical protection, and this seat cover set follows that same philosophy. These covers are typically made from durable faux leather paired with breathable padding to keep drivers comfortable during long journeys. Unlike some single-piece seat protectors, CAR Pass covers often come as a multi-piece set designed to cover both the seat back and bottom. This helps protect more of the seat from everyday wear, spills, and sunlight exposure. Another advantage of this set is its universal fit design, meaning it can work with a wide range of vehicles including cars, SUVs, and trucks. Many drivers choose faux leather covers because they are easy to clean compared to traditional cloth upholstery. If you accidentally spill coffee or drop food during a road trip, the surface can usually be wiped clean within seconds. Installation is generally straightforward thanks to adjustable straps and hooks that secure the covers tightly to the seats. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the BDK PolyPro car seat covers, a budget-friendly option that still delivers dependable protection for everyday driving. These seat covers are designed using durable poly fabric rather than leather, making them a comfortable and breathable choice for drivers who live in warmer climates. One of the biggest advantages of the PolyPro seat covers is their lightweight design and ease of installation. Many users choose these covers because they can be installed quickly without professional help. Another highlight is their universal compatibility with a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. The simple design works well for drivers who want to protect their seats from dirt, sweat, and general wear without spending a lot of money. According to reviews, the PolyPro covers offer good durability and a modern appearance that complements most vehicle interiors. While they may not offer the luxurious look of faux leather covers, they are a practical solution for everyday use. Drivers who want affordable seat protection that's easy to install and comfortable for daily driving often find the BDK PolyPro covers to be a reliable choice. Coming in at number 2 is the CAT Mesh Flex automotive seat covers, a rugged and breathable option designed with durability in mind. Inspired by the heavy-duty Caterpillar brand known for construction equipment, these seat covers are built to handle tough environments and everyday wear. The standout feature of the MeshFlex design is its breathable mesh material that allows better airflow compared to solid fabric or leather covers. This helps prevent heat buildup during hot weather and keeps drivers more comfortable during long drives. The material blend also provides stretch and flexibility, allowing the covers to fit a wide range of seat shapes. Another advantage of these covers is their protective capability. They help guard against spills, stains, dirt, and scratches while preserving the original seat upholstery. Installation is typically simple and can be completed in under an hour. Many drivers report that once installed, the covers help maintain the condition of the original seats for years. However, like many universal seat covers, the exact fit may vary depending on the vehicle model. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Skechers Air-Cool Seat Cover, a comfortable and innovative option designed with advanced cooling technology. Skechers is widely known for producing comfortable footwear, and that same focus on comfort is reflected in their automotive seat covers. The highlight of this model is the Air-Cool fabric technology, which promotes airflow and helps reduce heat buildup while driving. This makes the seat cover especially appealing for drivers in warm climates or those who spend long hours commuting. Unlike many basic seat covers, the Skechers design focuses heavily on ergonomic comfort. The soft cushioning and breathable fabric help reduce fatigue during long drives while maintaining a supportive seating surface. Many versions are also designed to be compatible with side airbags, ensuring that safety features remain fully functional. Installation is straightforward thanks to adjustable straps and flexible materials that conform to different seat shapes. The sleek and modern appearance also adds a stylish upgrade to the interior of your vehicle. And that wraps up our review of the best car seat covers available today. From the stylish Black Panther faux leather car seat cover, the premium-looking CAR Pass faux leather car seat covers, the affordable BDK Polypro car seat covers, the rugged Cat Mesh Flex automotive seat covers, to our top pick, the comfortable Skechers Air-Cool seat cover. There's a great option here for every type of driver and vehicle. Upgrading your seat covers is one of the easiest ways to protect your car's interior while also improving comfort and style. Whether you prefer leather-style elegance, breathable mesh, or lightweight fabric protection, the right seat cover can help keep your vehicle looking new for years to come. Which car seat cover would you choose for your vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. And remember, you can find the latest prices and deals for all the seat covers mentioned today in the description box below. Thanks for watching.